Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25 inch Android screen installed in a Mercedes CLS 2014. CLS 550 4MATIC 2014. We replace the factory screen to our 10.25 inch screen. And you can see the bracket is fully flash mount without any gap. It's perfectly fine. The back, front, everywhere, it's flash mounted. Right now I'm connected my iPhone through wireless USB dongle. That's our USB dongle. You can do wireless or wired CarPlay. Right now I'm doing the wireless CarPlay.